person with like bodies, but really they all a part of me. Let's get the whip and go.
Grand Rising. I'm doing a video because I am not happy. Last night I was asleep. It was about 2:30 and I just felt something in my mouth and I don't like that shit at all. I'm not happy. Hello?
Hey, Mimi,
I'm not happy at all. First of all, I don't even eat anything hard. I don't bite into anything hard because they tell you do not do that because of course these are not your natural time. I'm very upset. So today I have to find somebody here to fix this. So I'm going to call my dentist when they open and hope that he fuck with me and I can get this shit fixed.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, die and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. Na 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 na. When you walk out, na 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 na. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you.
Hey y'all. So baby, this trip has been a mess. Like, just wait till I get home. I'ma give y'all the motherfucking tea. I'ma give y'all the motherfucking tea. But just know, I done been through some shit. But my toothpicks, and they shaved them down a little bit.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done, and work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you.
False alarm, that is not 12. Yes, so I'm in Memphis. My stylist, her name is Brianna Wells. I will insert her Instagram and etc. when I am done, and I take the footage and shit like that. So skin check. Alright, but I'm finna bump. I got like 27 minutes until I get there. My appointment is at 8. 7:52 is my ETA. And I forgot my tripod at home, and I was like right by the house, but I was like, I can't do it. Y'all, I'm really working on time management. So I don't have time to be doubling back. I should have been put that damn tripod in my bag for my camera, but I hope this shit ain't as unstable. Anyway, bye.
Full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E.
Okay, so I had to show y'all my hair in the sun because it's hitting. For real. Don't play with her. Yeah, bitch. Birthday activated. Fuck you talking about? Nope, you good, you good. Nope, you good.
Yeah, I'm gonna knock that guy. You gonna put out a whole idea. You got a blog? You finna film a blog or something?
Nigga, you on my YouTube, you on subscribe.
I'm imagining you finna film a blog right now?
Yeah, I am. I wish I would've bought my light, but I left it at the crib.
You finna film a blog?
It's a video, this ain't no motherfucking picture. Well, bitch, you gonna wait. What flash? I don't have it. Y'all said it was too bright last time. It's at the house, I don't have it. Willie, you have to take a picture of us.
Why can't be in the picture? Like you always look like that.
Self in here. Trust me, he ain't in there on purpose. He will. Who you texting? Who you texting? He will. His part will be edited out. Don't worry. The fuck? Yeah. My nigga. Y'all hoes know.
Bitch, your little Memphis for dead hoe.
He ain't.
Now you these little ass water bottles. Who are you?
You need. So I'm running out of footage, but I'm at Grubs. Y'all know what's going on. So I'm gonna get a memory card and I'm gonna come back, but I can't take out in the store with me, sorry. So y'all just gonna have to sit this little run out.
Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
person will I buy?